everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So I'm about to hop in the shower and use a body scrub. I'm going to use the Brickell polishing body scrub. It's a new product. Has a really interesting looking consistency to it. It almost looks like sand. But the primary ingredient is a walnut shell powder. So it's got some mint essential oil, so it's like a really invigorating, refreshing scrub. It's going to leave your skin feeling super fresh, nice and smooth because it's going to exfoliate. Due to the inclusion of some other ingredients, it actually really helps to control things like ingrown hairs, acne, bacne, that sort of thing, in addition to sloughing away the dead skin cells. So the walnut shell powder is the primary physical exfoliator, so that's going to remove the dead skin cells. And then it also contains some glycolic acid and some willow bark extract, and those act more along the lines of like a chemical exfoliator. So they also help to remove those dead skin cells, unclog the pores, prevent the acne, the bacne, and potentially the ingrown hairs too. So I'm just going to wet it a little bit and you can sort of see what happens. You could use this just with your hands, or you could use it with a loofah or a washcloth. So I'm going to wet it like that, and you can sort of see, once I show you my hands, that it kind of foams up a little bit. You can sort of see there it's got a little bit of lather going. But it feels nice and gritty, but not super abrasive, so it's not going to be too harsh for the skin. I really like it. It smells great too, so I am going to enjoy using this in the shower. So yeah, if you're on the market for a new body scrub, or if you suffer from bacne, ingrown hairs, any sort of bumps on the skin on your body, then this might be a good product to try as a treatment. Check it out, shopmasc.com, and if you're in Vancouver, come check it out in the store. Thanks for listening.